Hi, this is Jose Barato. In this short video, I would like to explain how to manage a project professionally, precisely the schedule of a project in order to finish on time. So let's set an example. This is a very short project, only taking 2 weeks. In order to manage properly, we need to decompose the project into manageable pieces, which are called work packages. So once we have these work packages and we are clear on the dates, we can set the baseline, the schedule baseline. And in order to manage, we need to manage these three couple of dates. Baseline dates are the dates which are committed. Start and finish are our best estimate on when the activities are going to start or finish. And finally, we have an actual start and actual finish when things really happens, right? So let's move on to the execution. Let's say we need to report information on day 7, and the baseline is always the same, but the real thing is changing because work package 1 has started not on the day 4, but on the day 6. So our best estimate is this work package is not finishing on day 8 but on day 12. The subsequent work package is going to start the day after, and our corrective action here in order to save time is to do things to make this done in 2 days less, not 5 but 3, right? So this is the situation. In this day 7, we can tell that we have spent 2 days working on work package 1, so this is a 40% complete, and the project can be calculated with this percent complete of 25, right? So this is the situation. Any manager will see that the project manager is forecasting no delay at the end of the project, right? So let's move on to day 12. And here, again, the baseline is always the same, but the situation is different because work package 1 is finished on day 11. Work package 2 has started on day 12, and we correct again the estimations because now we can tell that we have 4 days to finish without a delay, so we can change this, and our best estimate is that we are finishing in 4 days, right? We have worked 1 day in work package 2, so the summary is this, okay? Again, no delay at the end of the project, and this percent complete of 63%, right? And this is the final photo. We have finished the project 1 day earlier, and this is the situation, okay? So this is the way of managing professionally the schedule of a project, okay? But we need tools to do this. So let's go to PM People and try to reproduce this example here, right? So I am entering in this organization as a project manager in this business unit. I can create a project. Every project manager can create projects on the business units they have. They have work, right? So this is the new project. Let's let's plan this project. Let's say the basic information that this project is going to start and finish and taking 10 days, 2 weeks. Let's plan the project to say that this project can be broken down into 2 work packages only. And in order to plan the schedule baseline, we need to go to work packages and enter this information. Okay, we can enter this manually, or we can import this from a scheduling tool like Microsoft Project or any other, right? So the information here is that this is taking the first week, right? And work package 2 is due on the second week. So I can check this image and well, make sure that everything is good so far, right? Let's move on. Let's say that the project is in execution, and we need to tell how the project is going, how the schedule is going on day 7, right? So we can plan this review date as we need it, and we can tell that for this date, work package 1 has already started, but late. Okay, we can say semaphoric information here, like a dashboard on this is not good. Let's say that, well, I can indicate this with a red color regarding the schedule performance and say something, okay? But the good point here is to register the real information, okay? So this has started on day 6. Notice that if we change actual start, planned start is automatically copied, right? And we can tell that this is 40% complete, right? Okay, 40. Graphically, we can see this again, okay, on this date, this status date, day 7, I can tell that this has started, but not on day 4, but on day 6. My best estimate is that we finish on day 12, and we have spent the 40% of the time here, right? So I can check that this is okay, and let's go to work package 2 in order to tell that this is starting on day 13 and finishing with no delay, taking three days. And nothing more to tell about this. We could change also. We could check the project performance as a whole if we go to the work package 0 here, right? So I'm good with this. This is the summary of the project. This is 20% completed and no delay at the end, okay? This same information is what managers are going to see if they go to reports. In this section, they can see this same information, right? So let's move on. Let's go to the next date, which is, sorry, plan review dates. New review date will be the 12th, right? The 12th. Again, I can say for this date that work package 1 has finished 1 day earlier, actual finish. Notice that since I have a termination date, this is 100% completed, and this is automatically entered again, okay? I can enter information here. Maybe I am more happy with this. And we can also update the information for activity 2. This is already started on day 12, and my best estimate is that we finish on day 15, and I can tell that this is 25% completed, right? In time. Check this visually to make sure that everything is okay, right? And the project again as a whole. Okay. Okay. I could tell also that how the project is going as a whole. Here, I would say that we are there, and this, for instance, okay. And the last part of the demo is that we finish, right? So let's go here and tell that everything is completed of this date. Where package 2 has finished. Okay. So I can check that the project is for this date, everything is done. Okay. I could tell also the other information here, but the interesting point is that I can tell not the last photograph, but also how was the baseline and how was the situation on day 7 on every and each status report, you know. And everybody can do that if they have access to the information. They can tell about the project if they enter the dashboards, for instance, right? And last but not least is that we can see this on the mobile. So let's move on to mobile. Yes. So this is my mobile. I can enter the application here. If I enter PMI Madrid organization, I can enter project manager role and see this same project, control schedule. This is the project we have created now. And we can see the status reports here. And if we enter this, I can tell that the schedule is green, and these are the final dates and everything. Okay, this is a short summary, but maybe enough to check on your mobile, right? But you can enter the schedule properly here and check and change everything. So this same operation that we have done in the web, we can do this online, right, in the mobile. So I think it is very efficient this way because everybody has the mobile with with you, right? So that's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.